Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best luxury mobile house of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description. Product 1: the Assembly Style Family House. The Assembly Style Family House is a rapidly assembled modular building designed for families, offering a convenient and efficient housing solution. With a compact footprint of 80 square meters, this dwelling comprises one bedroom and one living room, catering to the essential needs of a small family unit. The key feature of this housing concept is its assembly style, emphasizing quick and easy construction. By employing modular building techniques, the Assembly Style Family House enables a swift and streamlined assembly process, making it an attractive option for those seeking a timely and hassle-free housing solution. The modular design allows for flexibility and customization, providing families with the opportunity to adapt the living space to their specific requirements. Despite its compact size, the house is designed to maximize functionality and comfort, ensuring that occupants have all the essential amenities needed for a comfortable living experience. This type of housing is particularly suitable for reduces construction time, but can also contribute to minimizing environmental impact by optimizing resource use and waste generation during the building process. In summary, the Assembly Style Family House represents a contemporary and innovative approach to housing, offering a balance between quick assembly, functionality, and adaptability for the Product 2: luxury prefabricated houses. Luxury prefabricated houses represent a modern and innovative approach to residential architecture. These homes are constructed off-site in a factory setting and then transported to the desired location for assembly. The term prefabricated implies that components are manufactured in advance, allowing for a more efficient and streamlined construction process. Key features of luxury prefabricated houses often include high-end materials, contemporary design, and the incorporation of advanced technologies. These homes are designed to offer a combination of comfort, style, and sustainability. In the case of the 2023 Baekang New Container Luxury Prefabricated House, it seems to be specifically designed for travel resorts or hotel living, suggesting a versatile and mobile housing solution. Container-based prefabricated houses are a popular choice due to their modular nature, which allows for easy customization and expansion. The integration of essential amenities such as kitchens and bathrooms in these houses makes them technology have led to improved energy efficiency, eco-friendly construction methods, and shorter construction timelines. Luxury prefabricated houses cater to individuals seeking a high-quality, aesthetically pleasing, and convenient living solution, with the added benefit of mobility, as suggested by the mentioned Product 3. Product name: the Luxury Prefab Homes. Luxury Prefab Homes, ready-made and designed for an efficient, portable, and luxurious lifestyle, represent a contemporary approach to housing that combines sophistication with convenience. These homes are constructed using modular building techniques, allowing for a faster and more cost-effective assembly compared to traditional construction methods. The term luxury in this context implies a high standard of design, materials, and amenities. These homes often feature upscale finishes, modern architectural elements, and thoughtful layouts to create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living space. The use of premium materials ensures durability and a sense of opulence. The prefab aspect of these homes refers to the off-site manufacturing of components or entire sections, which are then transported to the final location for assembly. This method not only reduces construction time, but also minimizes waste and environmental impact. The economical aspect is highlighted by the efficiency of the prefab cost-effective. Being ready-made further streamlines the construction process, as the components arrive at the site ready to be assembled. This turnkey approach can significantly cut down on construction time and associated costs. Portable and modular features make these homes adaptable to various locations and settings, providing the flexibility to relocate if needed. The two-bedroom configuration emphasizes functionality and practicality, while maintaining a sense of spaciousness, catering to a variety of living arrangements, from small families to individuals seeking a comfortable yet manageable living space. In essence, luxury prefab homes offer a harmonious blend of elegance, efficiency, and mobility, redefining the concept of upscale living, with a focus on Product 4. Product name: Container Mobile Houses. Container mobile houses are innovative and flexible structures that serve as customizable living spaces, particularly designed for construction sites. These houses are constructed using repurposed shipping containers, providing a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution to temporary housing needs. The use of fireproof rock wool insulation enhances safety, making them suitable for construction sites where fire hazards may be a concern. The construction of container mobile houses is characterized by simplicity and efficiency, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly. This simplicity makes them ideal for temporary living arrangements, providing a comfortable and functional space without the need for extensive construction time. The prefabricated nature of these houses adds to their appeal, as they can be easily transported to different locations as needed. This flexibility makes container mobile houses a practical choice for construction companies that frequently move between project sites. In summary, container mobile houses that frequently move between project sites. In summary, container mobile houses combine the durability of shipping containers with the convenience of prefabrication, making them a versatile and sustainable solution for temporary living on construction sites. Their fireproof rock wool insulation further ensures safety, making them a practical choice for a variety of applications in the construction industry. Product 5. Product name. A container mobile house. A container mobile house, often referred to as a luxury one-room with one living room transparent dome PC resort hotel, represents a unique and innovative approach to temporary or mobile housing solutions. These structures are typically constructed using repurposed shipping containers, providing a durable and eco-friendly base for accommodation. The term luxury one-room with one living room suggests a compact yet well-designed living space, combining comfort with a modern aesthetic. The use of a transparent dome adds an element of sophistication, allowing residents to enjoy natural light and panoramic views of their surroundings. In the context of resort hotels or luxury accommodations, these container mobile houses offer a blend of convenience, sustainability, and an immersive experience. The compact design makes them suitable for various environments, from scenic natural landscapes to urban settings. The incorporation of a dome tent into the design implies a connection to nature, while maintaining a level of comfort. The dome tent into the design implies a connection to nature, while maintaining a level of comfort and luxury. The transparent material of the dome allows guests to feel surrounded by the outdoor environment, creating a unique and immersive stay. Hey, thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.